Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add bots on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open a browser and open a new tab and make sure you have successfully logged in into your Discord account and open this website URL top.gg and then hit enter. And here you will find millions of Discord bots. You can easily use any of these bots for your servers. So I'm going to click on, you can select the category from here, and I'm going to top bot section, and from here suppose I want to add this dunk memer to my server. So simply click on this invite. And now here we can see dunk memer wants to access your account. So now here we have to select our server. So I want to add this bot to this server. So I'm going to select this server and then click on continue. And now make sure to allow all these options. Then click on authorize and click on this I'm a human. And here we can see dunk memer bot has been successfully added to my server. Now I'm going to my bot, and here we can see the dunk memer is here. So this was how we can add bots on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute. Thank you for watching.